Nokia E55 versus Nokia E52 on Cellulare-Magazine.it with Emilio Vignapiano, of course. As these phones are really the same phone, just different keypad, today we'll review just the keypads. I want to show you before how they have really the same buttons in the same parts. They also have the same software. The hardware is really the same, just the two keypads are different. As you see, software version is the 021.013 of the 3rd of July 2009. Also customer version is the same, just the model and the type, of course, as they have different look. Let's start with the traditional one, the A52. Alphanumeric, 12 keys, big. These keys are really huge, very well separated horizontally and vertically. Thanks for the shape and for the lines, that there is enough space between the keys. You don't have any problem pressing the keys. Your finger will not touch because every key has its own space and the finger has no problem in touching it. There is also the assistance for the writing, so the latest T9 version of Nokia working really fast and can improve your speed. As we say, this is the traditional. Well, let's see the non-traditional, the A55. As you see, there is half QWERTY keyboard, 20 keys. They have this shape, so when you go from a key to the other, you can feel the edge of each key. Very well separated vertically. Horizontally, you have to press a little to feel that you are touching, of course, the 3 and not the 2 in this moment. You can use with one finger, but also with 2 fingers, you can improve your speed of writing. Of course, also in this model, there is the assistant for writing, so you don't have to digit all the letters to have the words. The software will give you some suggestion, and so you will be helped in this writing. There's no problem on digiting the numbers. They are in the position where you think they are, so the classical position that you have also in these phones. Also the star and the hash. No problem also in symbols and in the enter button, because they have their own one, so it's really easy. You just have to get used a little to the keys that are not so big, but the one that already used half QWERTY keyboard, like on Sony Ericsson and on BlackBerry, they get used really fast to this type of keyboard. So it's just a matter of taste. These models is more for the person that use the phone not only for phone calls and short email and SMS, but also for medium SMS and medium email. Of course, if you are a really heavy writers of emails and SMS on the phone, we suggest a complete QWERTY keyboard. But for the one that are choosing really a mix of dimension and useful keypad, this is really a new good model. For CellulareMagazine.it, Emilio Vignapiano with the A55 and A52.